Dave Porter with Vouch Video. When it comes to roofing companies in Bucks County, roofing companies in Montgomery County, I could not be standing with a better roofer. I'm standing with Charlie from New Look Builders. You're a field supervisor?
I'm the marketing director for New Look Builders. I'm also a product consultant. We are a contractor that does roofing, siding, windows. We'll build you a deck. We'll put a kitchen floor in for you. We basically do all contracting.
You're a specialist in roofing itself.
Yes.
And I wanted to speak with you about some details that are happening here on this project. Tell me why this project's special and the application that you're applying here, where a lot of these roofing companies aren't really taking a lot of these extra steps in care and detail.
Thank you, I'm glad you said that. And actually, you know, with New Look Builders, every project is special. And on this particular job, what makes it of particular interest is the step flashing. Anywhere where roofing meets vertical sidewalls, there is a possibility that the home may need step flashing. And this is where it's important using a company like New Look Builders, because we are very proficient, not only in roofing, but also siding. We are able to very competently install that step flashing.
Your company with over 20 years experience is there for the long term. Tell me specifically, maybe a little bit more in detail, why this type of flashing, this kind of step process is so important.
Whenever any roofing area meets up against a vertical sidewall, there's an opportunity for wind-blown rain to get down in there, freeze, and basically, over time, it can cause the roof to fail. So step flashing is important because it goes up underneath the siding, and it also goes underneath the roofing area, underneath the shingles in the underlay. So you combine that with ice and water shield. And it's very important because in our proposals, we actually specify specifically the placement of the ice and water shield and exactly how many inches. 72 inches around the perimeter, 36 inches in any valleys and sidewalls. And it is very, very important if you own a home that has roofing material that butts up against vertical sidewalls, whether it be stucco or siding, that the contractor that you hire is proficient in siding and in installing those vertical flashings. They're just as important as chimney flashings, pipe collars, flashings around skylights. These are the important details that a roofing company has to take when installing a roof. We are in it for the long haul. Well, we've been in it from the long haul. This year is our 20th anniversary. 20 years, owned and operated. Same owner, same phone number, same address.
Tell me the types of roofing systems you're putting on today and recommending.
We recommend asphalt roofing systems, in particularly Owens Corning. Basically, any asphalt roofing system we install. I think I'd like to touch base with one of the things that you said about the cleanup. We are a company that takes great pride in that, and it's specified in our contract. You know, it's one thing for a contractor to tell you that he's going to do X, Y, and Z. It's another to put it in the contract. If it's not in the contract, he's really not contractually obligated. So what we do that's a little bit different from some of the other companies is we actually clean as we go. So as you can see, there's a roofer up on the roof doing the roof, and then simultaneously we have somebody cleaning up on the ground. That way, when the roofing project is done at the end of the day, the grounds are clean. We use magnetic rollers to pick up any nails, and then we sweep the property with metal detectors. It's very important to do all 4 stages of the project: the prep, the removal, the install, and the cleanup. One of the things that separates our company from other companies is our proposal and what goes into that proposal. Putting together a proposal for a roof is a math equation. So therefore, it's important for any math equation, if you want to get the correct answer, you have to have the correct numbers. So what we do is we pull an eagle view. It's a satellite image. We invest in your project, whether we get it or not. Now this gives us the exact measurements. This is a 21 squares. A square is 10 by 10, so that's 2,100 square feet. It gives us the exact pitch. It's a 7. So then I'm able to take that with the information I gather when I come out for the first call, and that allows me to know exactly how much material is going to be used on your project, so that I can then sharpen my pencil just so to give you the absolute best price.
You're talking about really some real industry pros using technology to make sure they can provide really the best estimates. if you're looking for a quality roofing contractor in Bucks County, Montgomery County, the surrounding areas, you cannot make a better call. New Look Builders. Get it in writing. You're going to get a clean job and you're going to get a quality product.
Yes, and it's going to be installed by highly competent certified craftsmen according to the manufacturer's specifications for the long-term roofing warranty.
Thanks, Charlie.
Thank you.
Look forward to recommending your company.